Hey everyone, it's Rob here for Shape Your Future Online. Now, I haven't done any blogging for quite some time, but I wanted to get back into it. Wrote a few blogs recently, just done one this morning actually. And then obviously I wanted to syndicate these blogs to make sure that, I've got different sites linking to them. And obviously one of the things that you do when you want to repurpose a blog, get things out there, and is to get it indexed, right, by Google. So usually we go to the Google Search Console, we go to crawl, and then what I would have done was click Fetch as Google, and then you fetch it on here, right? But what I recently realized when I came through to this site was that this has now changed. I'm not sure how long ago it changed, but there's a new Google console. So I didn't know where to actually put in my link and to get this working, to get it indexed. So it's actually very simple. So if I go through to this blog here about massive imperfect action, go through here, you can either just simply paste it in here, or you can click on the URL inspection over here on the Google search control on the left, which brings up the same box. Just paste that in there, and then it will start to receive data from Google Index. Okay, so here we go through. So the URL, it says, is on Google. I mean, this has already been indexed itself a while ago, but you can review the page here. This is telling you that it is submitted and indexed. So in here you can see the sitemap. Yeah, crawl allowed, yes, successful. If you want to actually request indexing, or if you've changed the page and you want to index again, you can just do that here. Takes a little bit of time, maybe a minute. And that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, just wanted to let you know, in case you are coming to go into the Google console, you're looking to fetch, you're looking to get Google to crawl over your links, crawl over your site, and you're not seeing what you normally used to see, and you've got this new Google search console, you now know exactly where to look. Okay, guys, I shall speak to you all soon. Bye now.